Before we get started, let me show you all the functions of the nail drill and how to use it properly. To insert the bit, open the holder by turning it to the left towards the symbol with the open lock. Then insert the bit and close the holder by turning the arrow back to the right towards the lock symbol. To turn the drill on and off, simply press the power button. You can adjust the speed by turning the pressure knob, which allows you to set the speed anywhere between 0 to 35,000 rotations per minute. The speed indicator shows you the current speed between 0 to 35. To quickly change the direction, forward and reverse, press the foot pedal once. Before use, the drill should be fully charged. To check the battery capacity, simply press the power button twice quickly. Here is the charging port. Connect the USB cable and plug it into an electrical outlet. When the front of the nail drill displays a red light, the charging phase has begun. Once the small light on the front changes from red to green, the nail drill is fully charged and the micro USB charging cable can be removed. Now we can start. The ceramic bit barrel, medium, which is blue, is ideal for gently removing the dipping layers and nail design. Start the drill and remember that it's important to use the right speed, which should be between 20,000 to 35,000 rotations per minute. At the beginning, it's recommended to start with a speed of 20,000 rotations per minute to get used to the drill and gradually increase the speed. If the speed is too slow during the removal process, you may apply more pressure, which can cause the nail to heat up quickly and lead to injury or damage to the natural nail. Hold the drill securely, like a pen in your hand, and support your hands firmly to operate the drill safely and avoid slipping. Always work with the bit flat on the nail. Never try to remove layers or cuticles vertically, as this can quickly cause nail injuries or grooves. There are two options for filing, either from the base of the nail towards the tip or from side to side, which is easier for beginners as it reduces the risk of getting stuck in one spot. It is also important to note the direction of the drill head. When you drill from the base to the tip, the drill head must turn in the opposite direction to the base of the nail. If the drill moves away from the nail, this is the wrong direction and you can easily hurt your nails. In this case, you can quickly change the direction. When filing from left to right, the bit turns to the left. It's the opposite when filing from right to left. Now we remove the layers evenly and gently, layer per layer. It's very important not to apply any pressure on the nail. You should only lightly float over the nail with a feeling. To get a feeling for filing or evenly removing the layers, you can practice filing 1 to 2 times on a trial tip. Dip the sample tip in rose red and then apply a layer of dark green powder. Make sure that the red runs out evenly during removal, without leaving any holes. Then you are ready for your natural nails. Always keep the grinding head moving. Don't stop at one point, as the area could quickly overheat and damage the nail bed. Also, always move from one side to the other or from the nail bed to the nail tip. Then lift the bit and start again from the beginning. Never go back and forth without lifting the bit, as it can make the nail hot. Especially as a beginner, avoid removing the complete nail design. There should be a bit of nail design left to avoid damaging the nail plate or the natural nail. To remove residues of the dip powder, you can use the removal kit. Soak the cotton pad of the removal foil with the Doonails remover and place it on the nail. Wrap the nails with the removal foil and leave for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then carefully remove the remaining residue with a file and a manicure stick. After removal, as usual, make sure to moisturize and nourish your nails.